Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today I will show you one of the best smartphone lenses that you can purchase under rupees 2000 from the Indian online markets. So I find it out, and here is the lenses. It's the ProKit ultra wide angle HD macro lenses along with travel cases. This is designed from the company name iBolter. It's a universal smartphone lenses, so it will fit on any Android devices or any iOS devices, that is an Apple iPhone devices. So here are some features of it written here that you can get is 0.45 wide angle lens, 15x macro lenses, the high grip lens clip, Duracase, professional HD photos and videos. So here are the samples you can see here. This when you are using without a lens, you can see this type of pictures when using the other type of lenses that is from other companies. And when you are using iBolter lenses, you can see this type of pictures. So here some specifications is been given here: the wide angle lens and the macro lenses. The MRP of this product is written as 3,499, but if you go on the online shopping list that I have given below in the descriptions, if you really want to check out, you can click on the link given below in the video descriptions. So I purchased it from the Flipkart and I get it in an offer price of 1,390 rupees as a Diwali offer sale on the Flipkart and Amazon. So here are the specifications you can see inside what you will be going to get inside the package here. So it all written and mentioned in the cover itself. So when you unbox it, you can find some lenses. On opening the box, you can get this lovely box itself. Under it, you will find the lenses here. You may be surprised to know what you will be provided under this box is the cleaning cover that you can use to clean the lenses, and even you can get a clip to hold this cover cases by attaching here. And this is the clip, universal clip that you can attach on any mobile devices, whether it's an Android device or an iOS device. You can attach it, and above it we're going to attach these lenses. This is the cover. You can just press this both aside and you can open it. So here is the super wide angle lens, and below it is the macro lens. When you don't want to use the wide angle lens, just remove the above lens. So here you can see this is the macro lens. So below this lens you'll find one more cover. Just remove it. Now you can join this lens along with this clip, just like this. So After attaching these lenses with a clip, now you can put this lens above any mobile devices. Suppose here I have an iPhone SE, so you can put above the lenses just like this. So once it's being put, let's try some photo. So this is the macro lens. We'll have to. So when you take the pictures from far, it becomes very blue because it's now macro lenses. So we'll go and take the pictures very nearby, and we'll see how the pictures come. So you can see here the way I'm taking. You can see the pictures from very close by. This is the macro lens. And when you put the super wide angle lens, you can take a wide photo. So I've attached now this super wide angle lens. So let's try and check out. So you can see this, the super wide angle photo. So when we try to remove how the photo looks, just see the picture is very nearby, but when we try to attach this, and you can see it's become a super wide angle. So if you're really in love of using photography, you can go and check out this lens, and under this 2000 price, it's very decent and it will do a really good job, and there is lots of good colors and there's very less distortions, and you will get very good accurate colors. You can try it out yourself and check it out today. And if you're interested to purchase this, click on the link below I have given in the video descriptions from where you can purchase it. I hope you found it useful to take day-to-day mobile photography. So if you're fond of it, so what are you waiting for? Click on the link given below in the video descriptions and check the mobile lenses by yourself. So before concluding this video, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and lastly, thanks for watching.